Hey guys, it's Colin with Investbnb Solutions. We do property management, co-hosting, consulting for short-term rentals or Airbnbs. We don't just do it in Grand Prairie or Alberta. We can be worldwide. We have some in the United States. We have a great team, great softwares that we use to just help you cash flow more on your long-term investment. Today is Monday, so it's another market evaluation Monday. We're looking at Calgary, Alberta, the biggest city in Alberta, and I think one of the most competitive markets. There's over 8.5 thousand active short-term rental listings, and there's 8 sub-markets there. We've looked at Edmonton before. Edmonton has 0 sub-markets, so very, very busy there. And I'm kind of surprised at the data here. I'm just going to start at regulation. I always bring this up. I'm really surprised that regulation has this score. I thought it would be a lot lower. I have a friend that has an Airbnb, and I know that Calgary is not just like the metropolitan area, but I know if you want to be like downtown Calgary, I think that score would be lower, because like if you want to be like downtown, there's only like 2 like condo or apartment buildings that you can have an Airbnb in like legally, or the city doesn't allow it. So seasonality, not great. Seasonality, that's kind of surprising. Like Grand Prairie, Edmonton, the other 2 bigger cities, like their seasonality is really good, so busy all year round, as we know. And then still going up there, revenue growth, pretty encouraging. We'll get to revenue in a minute. Again, I'm kind of surprised. And then demand. So there's lots of demand. So I really don't know what the busy season is there. I'd have to do a little research. I don't know if it's summer for the Stampede or if it's like hockey in the winter. No clue, but whatever it is, there's lots of demand, and it's only for like a certain time of the year. So they get that a 69 out of 100. That's lower than both Edmonton and Grand Prairie, but again, that doesn't mean everything. I'm invested in markets that have a lower overall score on AirDNA, and again, thank you AirDNA for all of this information. Only want to just give a sneak peek. But I'm invested in markets that have a lower overall score, and I cash flow, like 3 times, 4 times better than markets where there's a higher score. So that doesn't mean everything. Annual revenue, kind of surprised here. GP Edmonton, they're closer to like that 28, 29. So encouraging there. Like if you have good pictures, if you're competitive, have good management, then you're making some money there. Occupancy rates are higher than Edmonton and Grand Prairie at 65. Average daily rates are higher than those 2 other cities we looked at. And the RevPAR, I don't always talk about this, but and again, I don't always look at it when I'm evaluating a market, but it's revenue per available rental. So you divide the total revenue generated by the number of available properties in that market. So it's up. So that's a good thing. Calgary looks like a decent market as well.